The law of averages might sound like some fancy math jargon, but it's actually quite simple. It basically states that over time, with consistent effort, the outcomes of random events tend to average out. Imagine flipping a coin. Heads or tails, it's random, right? But if you flip it enough times, guess what? The number of heads and tails will eventually even out, close to 50-50. That's the law of averages in action. So how does this apply to your success? It's not about guaranteed success on every attempt, but about increasing your chances of achieving your goals the more you persist and take action. Now, let's see how this principle can be applied in various aspects of our lives. One of the fundamental principles of the law of averages is consistency. The more consistently you engage in a particular action or behavior, the more likely you are to achieve success. Whether it's honing a skill, building a business, or pursuing personal goals, regular and persistent effort is key. Dedicate a specific amount of time each day to work on your craft, business, or personal development. Over time, this consistent effort contributes to the law of averages, increasing the likelihood of success. Another crucial aspect is embracing failure as part of the process. The law of averages acknowledges that not every attempt will yield success. Failures are stepping stones towards refinement and improvement. The more you try, the more you learn, and the closer you get to your desired outcome. Picture a scenario where you're launching a new project. Not every idea or initiative will be a hit, but each failure provides valuable insights, refines your approach, and ultimately contributes to the law of averages working in your favor. Learning from your experiences and adapting your approach is integral to the law of averages. As you gather feedback and insights from your actions, adjust your strategy accordingly. This iterative process of learning and adapting enhances your chances of success over time. Imagine running a marketing campaign for your business. By analyzing the results, understanding what works and what doesn't, and making adjustments, you continually optimize your approach, aligning with the law of averages for greater success. The law of averages doesn't guarantee overnight success, but it rewards consistent effort and perseverance. By putting in the work, learning from mistakes, and staying focused, you increase your odds of achieving your dreams. Remember, success is rarely a straight line. There will be ups and downs, but the key is to stay committed, learn from setbacks, and keep taking action. I'm not saying the law of averages is a magic formula, but it's a powerful tool to shift your mindset from hoping for luck to embracing the power of consistent action. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination, so enjoy the ride.